When choosing a trading broker, it is crucial to check that they provide all the essential tools and conditions that you need to trade. There are so many options for trading brokers available and it can get very confusing. Which broker is the best? And more importantly, how do you avoid a spammy broker? You don't want to lose access to your account's capital. Recently, I have discovered TSG Brokers, an EU-regulated broker which is completely powered by the 5%ers. The 5%ers are a trading prop firm, and I've been trading with them for years now. I wanted to find out some more information about TSG Brokers, and I thought that I would share my process with you, including how I research and analyze a broker for trading. In this video, I'm going to break down the new broker TSG Brokers, including what features they offer for day trading, what makes them different, and why you should consider them for trading. If you want to go ahead and check them out for yourselves, I do have a link below in the description. Before we get into it, please remember to like the video and subscribe to my channel below. It really helps me out and it's great to know what content you're interested in. Let's get straight to it. I have come straight to TSG Brokers' website, tsgbrokers.com, where we will break down each of the important steps to consider when you are choosing a trading broker. First of all, one of the first things I like to look at is what assets they have available to trade. You want to make sure that they have what you want to trade available. We can simply look at the top here, there's trading instruments, and it does give you a list of the different types of markets available: Forex, metals, indices, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and stocks. So I'm going to have a little look at each of those. There are a variety of different assets here for the Forex market available. The majors are at the top, and as you scroll down there are minors and even exotics available with multiple pages, so there are a lot of options for trading Forex. It also gives you some crucial information, including the leverage, how much you can actually borrow against the Forex asset. The minimal lot size is 0.01, which is the industry standard. Maximal lot size 100 lots. And scrolling up here, I don't want to get too ahead, but it has some interesting bits of information, including the fact that the Forex market offers higher protection. It is easiest to start with a minimum deposit from €100, and also zero costs for deposits, which we'll talk a bit more about later in the video. They also have metals, variations of gold, silver, and palladium, a variety of different index markets as well, including my favorite. I like to trade the DAX, which is the German index market. There is oil available under commodities, and here are some of the cryptocurrencies that you can also trade, including Bitcoin, the king of crypto. Finally, it is interesting to see that there are a variety of symbols available to trade for stocks. Not all brokers offer stocks. It says here there are up to 240 single stocks available for trading, which is great if you are an active day trader in the stock market. Let's look at some of the tools they have available, including platforms. So there is a web-based platform, TSG Trade Web, and also for Android, iOS, and Windows. Personally, I don't tend to use the web-based trading platforms. It's just not my preference. I prefer to use MetaTrader, but there is this available if you like it, and this will be bespoke to TSG Brokers. It basically avoids you having to download any extra software and means that you can simply log in and get trading straight away. But if, like me, you prefer to use the white label software MetaTrader 5, they have MetaTrader 5 available, which you can access from your desktop, from your Mac, your laptop, or your mobile phone. Other points that I like to consider when choosing a broker kind of grouped together, and I'm talking about spreads, I'm talking about fees, I'm talking about leverage, and these may all be answered under the same subheader, which is account types. They actually have quite a wide range of account types available with TSG Brokers. So starting from the basic account type, which means that this is the smallest amount of money you can deposit. You need a minimum of €100 to open a basic account. You may be somewhere in the middle with an expert or an ECN account, which means you need either a €5,000 or €15,000 minimum deposit. And they also have professional accounts available as well if you are a professional trader. To appeal to a wider audience and to make this simple, I'm going to just look at the information from the basic account here, and it gives you some of the points that are included. So the account currency is either going to be US dollars or euros. The stop out level would be 50%. Spreads from 0.3 pips. These aren't what I would refer to as raw spread accounts. However, I have had raw spread accounts in the past and I never really managed to get an account that is perfectly a raw spread matching bid and ask price. Usually there is going to be a marginal pip difference, which is what we're seeing here from the spreads. It also gives some of the commissions. So commissions for shares is 0.15% or €2 minimum per side. So that is purely for if you trade stocks only. The commission for cryptos is slightly different, 0.12% per side. However, for the other markets, it doesn't look like there are actually any commissions to pay. And it gives a max leverage here of 1 to 30. Now, there will be brokers out there that give a larger leverage, granted, and that can go up to 1 to 100. From my experience, these brokers have been more riskier brokers, often unregulated brokers. Usually, if you want to use that amount of leverage on your account, you are probably over risking it anyway. So based on your own risk preferences, in my opinion, 1 to 30 leverage is more than adequate for day trading. They give multiple options here for deposits, depositing funds into your broker account, and these all have zero fees available. The withdrawal is pretty much the same option with zero fees and also minimum amount in withdrawal, no limit, unless you use these two options here, which have a €50 limit. I find this to be a great feature because a lot of brokers now only offer deposits and withdrawals via cryptocurrency, but personally, I still prefer to use the usual direct debit methods, making a direct deposit from my bank account. Looking at fees now, I have noticed here underneath incidental costs, it does say the company reserves the right to charge a one-off fixed administration fee of €25 when the customer's trading account remains inactive or dormant for 12 months or more, provided that the account has available funds. There are no fees applied when the free balance equates to zero. So as long as you keep your account active within a 12-month period, if it is funded, it should be okay. Coming back to commissions, depending on which account type you go with, Forex, commodities and indices all charge a zero commission. So if you're going to purely trade one of these markets, you won't actually have a commission to pay, just the difference in the spread as you buy and sell. Whereas if you trade stocks or crypto, there is a small commission fee to pay as part of the payment for the trade. Stepping away from the trading tools themselves, one of the most important things I like to check with a broker, especially a new broker, is regulation. Regulation is sometimes not thought about, but it is very important to know that your money, your account is going to be regulated and protected by some form of financial body. Plus, not all brokers are regulated. There are many offshore brokers that are unregulated, and these can be more risky and it can provide unsafe conditions for your account. So how do you find out if your broker is regulated? There are a couple of ways you can do this. From the homepage, underneath an About section, you can look up details underneath the company, or you can go into the FAQ page to see whether it states it or not. What I like to do is I always just scroll right to the bottom to the footer, and more often than not, it will tell you in the footer if it is regulated. Right here, it says TSG Brokers Limited is a Cyprus investment firm authorized and regulated by the Cyprus Securities Exchange Commission under the license number. So TSG Brokers is regulated, and they are regulated by the Cyprus Securities Exchange. Another important aspect to consider when choosing a broker is the support available. If you have issues setting up your account, or even if you're in a trade and then you have some technical problems, you want to be able to have reliable support available to deal with your queries. Some brokers vary in this. Some are restricted just to email, others do have a phone number available. Some brokers make it easy and some difficult to contact them. So how do we contact TSG Brokers? Underneath their contact page, they have both a telephone number available, an email available, and a web form. It also says they have a web-based chat available. I don't have any pop-ups coming up right now, but I am recording this at the weekend when pretty much the markets are closed, so perhaps that feature is closed as well on a Sunday. Another crucial bit of admin to check when you're choosing a broker is whether they have any restrictions on where you are located in the world. And to do this, it is usually located in their footer again or on their FAQ page. So I've scrolled down to the bottom and it does say here, TSG Brokers does not offer service to residents of certain jurisdictions, and then it lists certain countries here where if you are a resident of those countries, you cannot currently open an account with them. This can change, so if you do have your heart set on a certain broker, it's always good to check every now and again to see whether your country is available for you to open an account with. Finally, I would never choose a trading broker if it didn't offer this feature, and I'm talking about demo accounts. If you're not sure what a demo account is basically a paper account or a fake account. It's a practice account. It allows you to create an account for free where you can try out the software, have a go at trading using an account with fake or paper money. And it looks like they have demo accounts available for all the different account types, so you can test out the account type that you are considering opening, but you can actually open a demo account first. So it's like trying it out before you commit using real money. I always recommend to use a demo account, especially if you are a beginner trader or if you are trying out a new trading strategy, because it removes the risk from trading with real money until you are ready to do so. When I click on create a demo account, it takes me to their web-based platform where I can just enter in some details to get started. Finally, if there is anything that I have not covered in this video, it can often be found in the FAQ section. And they have quite a detailed FAQ, so it tells you a little bit about TSG Brokers themselves, confirming the regulation and the fact that they are powered by the 5%ers, the leading prop firm, giving access to a global community of traders. Earlier, I mentioned about the live chat, and it does confirm here that they have a live chat facility, but it's only during the office hours of Monday to Friday. If you are interested in learning how your funds are protected, it does explain here that the Investor Compensation Fund provides compensation for retail investors in the event of the default of TSG Brokers Limited due to insolvency. So they have taken steps to protect your money. There's some questions here about how to actually open the account, what countries services are available. So it looks like at the moment it's mainly restricted to European-based countries. Also, when you are setting up an account, what documents you need to upload. If you have a specific question in mind that I have not covered, do let me know in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer it for you. Meanwhile, if you feel like you want to have a go for yourself with TSG Brokers, if you want to create an account or maybe set up a demo account, do follow the link below in the description and let me know how you get on. If you've enjoyed this video or found some value, let me know by hitting that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.